Yeah, so there's Mr. River. He's cleaning himself. Little nibbles. What I'm doing is I'm drying the floor with this towel. I just mopped it, so I go around the corners, push the towel around, dry it up. Real easy stuff, you know. But little River here, he was my helper there for a bit. Gotta be careful. These guys are old timers, eh? Hey, hi buddy. This one's friendly, but I don't want to overstep my boundaries with him. He's got a nice purr. Very nice purr. It's very gentle and very... He looks like a kitten, you know? Looks like a baby kitten. Baby kitten. Just wants to be loved. Yeah, I don't know all their names yet. The guy in there, he hissed at me. I'm going to give him space. And this one here is very shy. And there's another one. Oh, there he is behind me. Yeah. That's there you go. I hope that helps. Does that help? Okay. And Blackie, hey. Oh, he's shy. How about this one? Are you okay? No. He's saying no. Leave me alone.